This video is intended to train healthcare professionals how to use the Bioline HIV-1 and 2 test kit. These components are included in the test kit. These components are required but not provided. Here are some important notes before you begin. Check the expiration date. Put on disposable gloves. Open the test pouch and place the device on a flat and dry surface. Write the patient's identification on the device. Using a micropipette, dispense 10 microliters of plasma or serum or 20 microliters of whole blood into the specimen well. Immediately discard the used disposable tip in the biohazard box. Hold the diluent bottle vertically and add 4 drops of assay diluent into the specimen well. Wait for the colored lines to appear. Read the results between 10 to 20 minutes. The test line 1 is specific for HIV-1, test line 2 is for HIV-2, and C is the control line. Please note that visible test lines should be considered positive, even if faint. Only one line in the control line, C, means it is negative. A line in C and a line in 1 means a positive result for HIV-1. A line in C and a line in 2 means a positive result for HIV-2. 3 lines in C, 2, and 1 means a positive result for HIV-1 and/or 2. In this case, if the color intensity of one HIV test line is darker than the other, you can interpret the darker line as positive. If no line appears in the control line C, it means the test is invalid. Repeat the test again with a new test device.